Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Mibro Fit application on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on Equipment. Now, make sure that the Mibro Air is right here on the list. It says Connected. Then scroll down, tap on Delete Current Device. And as you can see, the device disappeared from the list, right here. You can close the app. Now let's open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. In Bluetooth settings, make sure that the Mibro Air is not on the list of devices. As you can see, it's not. But if it was on the list, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, then tap on Forget, and then tap on Forget again to confirm. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.